The Wise Old Owl. In a dense forest, there lived a wise old owl named Oliver. Every evening, he perched on the tallest tree and observed everything that happened in the forest. He watched the rabbits play, the squirrels gather food, and the birds sing their songs. One day, a young rabbit named Benny ran up to Oliver. "Owl, I need your help. I always speak without thinking, and it gets me into trouble," Benny said sadly. Oliver nodded wisely. "Listening is the key to wisdom," he said. "When you listen more and speak carefully, you will understand others better and make fewer mistakes." Benny decided to follow Oliver's advice. He started listening before speaking and thought carefully about his words. Soon, he made more friends and avoided unnecessary arguments. The animals in the forest noticed Benny's change and admired his wisdom. He had learned that true knowledge comes not from talking too much, but from listening and thinking before speaking.